Hi, I'm Bhumika Batra and welcome back to my channel, Discover PhD Research Gradually. Previously, I have discussed about the types of data, the measurements of data, the types of variables, and many more basic concepts which a scholar needs to understand. Now moving ahead with this lecture, I will be discussing one most appropriate solution to every problem. Now, what is that problem? For example, I have done literature review. With this, I came up with the statement of the problem. With those statements, I formulated the hypothesis. Every step I have successfully completed. Now it's time to apply the statistics. That is the main problem. Which test, which statistics, which technique needs to be used? One say, in that literature review, in that paper, I saw ANOVA was used. In one, I saw regression. In one, there was a descriptive statistics. Now, there are three and many more statistics which were used in those literatures. Which is the most appropriate for my study? This is the basic and main problem. So let's not waste any more time further, and I will be discussing about which type of test, in what kind of data, in what kind of level of measurements needs to be used. I have discussed we have three kinds of variables, which is univariate, bivariate, and multivariate. Univariate deals with where I have one variable, bivariate with two variables. No, it is when we have the two terms, either relationship or a difference. Then multivariate with the name many variables. So I'll discuss first the univariate today. So if you have the univariate variable, the one variable in that particular objective or in your study, so this test needs to be applied. So I'll explain you with this table. I'll bifurcate this table into two parts. One is metric and another is non-metric. Now first, the question comes, what is this metric and non-metric? We haven't discussed, I haven't taught in any of my videos. So don't get confused these two terms. Metric is where is scale, ratio, interval. Non-metric, wherever there is a category. Now we know where there is a category, in ordinal data or nominal data. So we have discussed in the type of variables, in the type of data about the metric and non-metric. Now you know the concept. What is metric? Wherever the data deals with numbers. Non-metric, wherever the data deals with category. So let's discuss with non-metric. If your objective has univariate, one variable, measurement of level is categorical. So what you will going to use is count. What else with the count? Frequencies. This is clear. With the non-metric, you will be using count and frequencies. With another, if your data, if your objective is univariate and there is a level of measurement, which is a number, which is scale, there you will use mean, median. One sample t-test. mean, median, one sample, t-test. And with this, there is one more type of statistic, which is sigma. What is sigma? The sum. Everybody has studied in the maths and statistics in the secondaries. What is sigma and sum, which is the total. So when your data is univariate and there is a metric level of measurement, you can use mean, median, sigma, and t-test. Now, only one sample t-test. And when it is non-metric, you will be using count and frequencies. I hope the information shared with you today is helpful to you. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.